this question, do you think what we see in Matabeleland is actually what is happening in other provinces where, but because you're talking about Harare having registered nearly 200,000. And even, I think the only other district where I saw very few people registering is Mashonaland East. Otherwise, if you look at Mashonaland, it's Mashonaland West, because Mashonaland East is one of the highest. So that also looks at the issue of leadership within these, especially with Matabeleland, that there's no one who's pushing to say, let's put resources, let's make sure that our people informed. Our people have no access to radio, people have no access to TV. Where are they getting the information?
Our biggest trap falls on two issues. One issue is that ZANU-PF over the years have successfully portrayed Matabeleland as a sparsely populated region to justify its marginalization policies, practices, behaviors, etc.